was down below. Bing, got flying on a track. The Tom flying in the water. And sometimes I have to get dry. So we go on the track, took his couch to the dry place, for it to dry. In the tunnel, there, and then, oh, he fell, but then he got on the track, but his couch, but his, oh, and then, but it was all fake, and so, but it was, and I was like, now, and it was all way to go, and it was all clean. And then it was down the hill again, and there's no water, and then up, but the state master knocked the track off, so Tom Puff, he got puffing himself for a minute or two, and then go back on track, head up some road, so he went fast, too fast, so it went so fast, he never knew how fast he was going. Whoa, downhill, but then he fell back into the water again. Back up, and so I have to go get dry again. So, a couple of hours, we went somewhere out and clean. We puffed on, and on. So we went to get clean. We lost the couch from it all too. Then, whoa. I think I'm done.